आप सब लोग ठीक होंगे। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, दिस इज मी, माय नेम इज मुहम्मद कुरैशी, योर इंग्लिश इंस्ट्रक्टर, एंड वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। सबसे पहले आज मैं इस वीडियो में पढ़ाने वाला हूँ जो इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक है इंग्लिश ग्रामर में, जो बहुत से क्वेश्चंस लोग पूछते हैं कि व्हाट इज टॉपिक के बारे में क्या है। सो आज मैं बहुत से लोगों ने क्वेश्चन पूछे, तो मैं आज उसको हल करने वाला हूँ आपके सामने। और ये हमारे पास जो आज का टॉपिक है वो है टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस। सबसे पहले हम समझते हैं कि व्हाट इज सेंटेंस, यानी सेंटेंस क्या है। सबसे पहले हम इसकी डिफिनीशन करते हैं, फिर इसको हम एग्जांपल के थ्रू इसको समझते हैं। सो सबसे पहले व्हाट इज सेंटेंस? Sentence, a group of combination that give us full meaning, is called sentence. Like for example, from alphabet words we make words. Then from alphabet we make words, and from words we make sentence.
What is sentence?
And after sentence is paragraph. We make paragraph after sentence. So the main question in this statement, that what is sentence? The group of combination which give us full meaning is called sentence. Like whatever it will be. Like for example, I play cricket, anyway, anything. So that we make sentence from words. So that's called sentence. And sentence हमारे पास बहुत से पॉइंट्स में, यानी बहुत सारे स्ट्रक्चर में एक हिस्सों में तकसीम किया गया है। So what are the declarative sentences, interrogative sentences, imperative sentences, and exclamatory sentences? So what are the types? So I tell you the types, मैंने आपको टाइप बता दिए हैं। इसके बाद मैं आपको सबको बारी बारी इसकी डिफिनीशंस विद एग्जांपल आपको समझाऊंगा। So sentence clear हो गया। And the structure of the sentence is SOV. SOV means subject, S means subject, O means SVO, SVO. V means verb, and O means object. So this is the abbreviated form of subject, verb, and object. Like I play cricket. So I is subject, play is verb, and cricket is object. So the first type of the sentence is declarative sentences. What is declarative sentences? So the definition of this is, it is used for general fact or general conversations. Like for example, in our daily English, like we speak in our daily English, like we say, there are sentences that we say to our friend, or we ask someone questions, or we give the answer of it. So it is called declarative sentences. Like how, so someone ask some question like, what is your name? So if you say my name is Muhammad Umar Qureshi, so this is declarative sentence. And that means it is a general fact. And everyone know that, some people know that you are Muhammad Umar Qureshi. So it is a general fact that everyone know that we use these sentences in our daily English. So that's called declarative sentences. So example, I tell you that my name is Umar, I eat biryani. Every sentence that you make, that it will give us meaning. So that is called declarative sentence. Simple. And the second word is interrogative sentence. What is interrogative sentence? So let me define. Interrogative sentence, in which we ask questions in a sentence, is called interrogative sentences. Like in every video, like when I teach you structures or anything, tenses, so I tell you them your structures. So that is called interrogative sentences. Like interrogative sentence, I tell you the interrogative sentence means सवालिया, यानी जिसमें हम क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं जिस सेंटेंस में, उसे हम इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस कहते हैं। इसका मार्क ये है, सवालिया निशान। ये हमारे पास, अगर आपको इजी वे क्या है इसको समझने के लिए, अगर आपको मीन्स या फॉर एग्जांपल मैंने कहा आई गो टू स्कूल, अगर इसे समझ आती है, अगर आखिर में ये आ गया आपको समझ आती है सारे सेंटेंस की, अगर आपको इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस में ढूंढने की मुश्किल होती है, अगर ये साइन आखिर में आ जाए एट द एंड, ये आखिर में आ जाए, इसे हम कहते हैं इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस। सिंपल वे। The third one is imperative sentences. So what is imperative sentences? Let me define. Imperative sentences are used for order, suggestions, command, direction, etc. Like I had been make a video for imperative sentences. If you don't have any point about imperative sentences, so you can watch my video. So then you will understand what is imperative sentences and what are the structure and example. So imperative sentence means to give order, suggestions, command, directions. For example, like ज़्यादातर ये लोग आप यानी आपके वालिदैन, टीचर्स आपको बॉस, यानी आपने बहुत सुना होगा अपने वालिदैन से, टीचर्स यानी आपको वालिद कहते कि पानी लेकर आप जाओ, मेरे लिए पानी लेकर. So it is imperative sentences. आपको टीचर कहते हैं टेस्ट क्यों नहीं याद किया, टेस्ट याद करो, होमवर्क करो. हम ऑर्डर देते हैं, सजेशन देते हैं. आप सजेशन किससे देते हैं? अगर आप अभी मेहनत करें ना तो आपके आप अपने गोल्स को अचीव कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड सजेशन, टू गिव एडवाइस, सजेशन एंड डायरेक्शन. गो लेफ्ट, गो राइट, गो स्ट्रेट, गो टर्न लेफ्ट, टर्न राइट, go down, go up. So this is called directions. Simple imperative sentences. So imperative sentences क्या होते हैं? जो हमें order, suggestions और advices and direction को शो करता है, उसे हम imperative sentences कहते हैं. Example: go straight, bring me water, complete your homework, go straight, don't use mobile, study maths, etc. बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल है. अगर आप किसी को ऑर्डर देते हैं तो इसमें हम imperative sentence यूज करते हैं. The last one is exclamatory sentences. So what is exclamatory sentences? The definition, let me define it, that it is used for feelings, emotions. Like for example, I have been made a video like conjunction. So it's same to same conjunction. Let me tell you that what is exclamatory sentences. So this is used for feelings, emotions. Like for example, hooray, we won the match. Oops, we lose the match. Oops, I didn't do the homework. So this is called, यानी जब हम अपने फीलिंग्स को, इमोशंस को जाहिर करते हैं, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंसेस. सो ये हमारे पास टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस है. मैं आपको दोबारा रिवाइज करती हूँ कि आपको सही से समझ आ जाए. डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंसेस definition है हमारे पास, is for general fact. For example, I am Umar, I read class 6, this is my marker, this is my whiteboard, I am an English instructor, I have 2 markers, I wear a mic, I have a desk, I have a whiteboard. Everything that relative general fact is called declarative sentences. Sentence. What is interrogative sentence? Interrogative sentence means that when we ask questions from someone, like it is called interrogative sentences. So the sign of it is question mark. So this is the sign, and when we use interrogative sentence for asking questions from someone. If, for example, did you go to school? Do you study? Can I fly in the sky? Can I land on the earth without parachute? Can I jump from the high mountain? So this is called, इसके साथ हम ये क्वेश्चन मार्क लगाते हैं. और imperative sentence, imperative sentence क्या है? This is for order, command, suggestions, direction, etc. For example, go straight, do your homework, don't use mobile, bring me a glass of water, etc. Exclamatory sentence is for feeling, emotions. For example, hooray, we won the match. Like then when we use exclamatory sentences, for example, hooray, we won the match. So here we have a sign. This is when we don't use, so we don't know the sentence of exclamatory sentence. So that was our topic for today. If you have any question related to this, you can ask me in comment box. और अगर आपको इससे कोई क्वेश्चन पूछना है कमेंट में बता सकते हैं और काइंडली हमारे चैनल